There are two reasons for climate change. 1. Natural causes. 2. Human causes. The climatic conditions experienced today are not caused by natural causes. The climate is changing thanks to people, namely us. We extract fossil fuels from underground. In other words, we extract oil, natural gas, and coal and burn them. Because of this, carbon dioxide is emitted into the air, and this carbon dioxide causes climate change. As their impact on the world increases the average temperature of the world, change the precipitation regimes in the world. The most important effect is increasing the number of very hot, very cold, very rainy, and very dry times. Agriculture, tourism, energy sectors, insurance companies, maritime and mining, which are important for economies, are heavily exposed to the effects of climate change. Economic negativities caused by climate change emerge in these areas and put countries into economic difficulties. The changing temperature and precipitation caused by climate change have negative effects on the agricultural sector by affecting both the amount of the product and the quality of the product. Change in temperature and precipitation caused by climate change affect the amount and quality of products by reducing productivity in the agricultural sector. The tourism sector, like the agriculture sector, is an area of activity that is highly dependent on climate change. Temperature rise, sea level rise, and extreme weather events will affect mass tourism. The most important effects of climate change on tourism are the risk of flooding of tourist facilities and beaches due to the rise in sea level, drought, and desertification.
Decreases in water levels due to increased air and water temperature due to climate change. The frequency of storms and floods have significant effect on energy supply. In addition to affecting the energy supply, energy resources and facilities are also affected. Hydroelectric production facilities are adversely affected by climate change. On the one hand, due to decreasing water level as a result of change in precipitation regime, and on the other hand, the increasing water temperatures reduce the cooling effect of the water. The damage caused by the 1 meter rise in sea level as a result of climate change and the natural disasters due to climate change caused the insurance companies to be adversely affected. The most important effect of climate change for the insurance sector is that the damage to everything covered by insurance can reach very high amounts and leave insurance companies in a financially difficult position. Decreases in water levels due to increased air and water temperature due to climate change. The frequency of storms and floods have significant effect on energy supply. In addition to affecting the energy supply, energy resources and facilities are also affected. Hydroelectric production facilities are adversely affected by climate change. On the one hand, due to decreasing water level as a result of change in precipitation regime, and on the other hand, the increasing water temperatures reduce the cooling effect of the water.
The sectors we examined show us how climate change can affect key sectors. Undoubtedly, humanity faces and will continue to face possible challenges. As climate change escalates, it will become increasingly difficult to maintain our standard lives. We hope that everyone, all governments, put all disagreements aside and start working together, because that is the only way to achieve sustainable order.